Here is a chilled Japanese milk bread icebox cake. Serves 6 and takes about 10 minutes active plus 4 hours chilling. Let's look at the ingredients. 1 small Hokkaido milk bread loaf, about 14 ounces, sliced into 12 thin slices. 2 cups of cold heavy cream. 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. 1 cup of smooth sweet red bean paste, Anko. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 10 fresh strawberries, hulled and sliced. 1 tablespoon of matcha powder for dusting. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Slice the Hokkaido milk bread into 12 thin slices about 1/4 inch thick. Arrange 6 bread slices in a single layer to cover the bottom of a 9 by 5 inch dish. Spread 1/2 cup of smooth Anko evenly over the bread layer. Arrange half of the sliced strawberries in an even layer over the Anko. Pour 2 cups of cold heavy cream into a bowl with 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whip the mixture until soft peaks form, about 3 to 5 minutes with a chilled bowl and cold cream. Spread 1 cup of the whipped cream evenly over the strawberry and Anko layer. Place the remaining 6 bread slices on top to form the second layer. Spread the remaining 1/2 cup of Anko evenly over the top bread layer. Arrange the remaining sliced strawberries and spread the remaining whipped cream to cover the top and sides, smoothing with a spatula. Dust 1 tablespoon of matcha powder evenly over the top through a fine sieve. Cover the dish tightly and chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. This completes the assembly. Serve chilled slices of the Anko and Hokkaido milk bread icebox cake. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell to not miss new recipes.